Mandrill's backpack prison. They have this car, and now basically it's a good question. That they have Chevy truck for out the daily, and the Ford, Dodge, a Ford, and the red car. Okay. And for Rails, Chevy, F50, Dodge, there's cars there. But these questions, for sure, take this. Okay. That's from Rails, Chevy, rather. Okay, that's Chevy. Okay, question. Okay. Again. Line up the box out. Okay. Oh, Chevy. That's Chevy, that's against wheels. It's like the straight jams, white straight jams. White straight jams that will get the line the birthday. Yep, on my birthday. That's Chevy truck, that's the box. That's a Chevy. Look at that Chevy leather. Now can you see the box one more time? Again, look at that white Chevy. Back on the box.